Sean says, what size brand of carb spacer do you recommend for a 602B mod on mostly quarter mile tracks?
Well, that would be the 1-inch spacer that HVH makes.
The 4-hole? Or,
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not the one with the center divider.
Okay. Yeah, what do you call it?
I don't know their part number or anything like
Well,
that.
it's the HVH, the Super Sucker carb spacer, dual plane intake manifold is the way we've described that.
Yeah, I mean,
we
that's...
keep those in stock. I think the only caveat to that is if Sean happens to be, just depends on where he's at. Because if he's in IMCA country, you can't run it.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah.
So check your rules.
Well, there's that, and the size of carburetor you're allowed to run. So that makes a difference too.
Well, make sure if you can run a 4-barrel, because if
Right.
it's a 2-barrel, then that's a whole nother deal.
Correct.
Okay.